Greetings from Coney Island, Brooklyn. I love New York, and here is a look of the Coney Island Lighthouse. And this is located in the community of Seagate, which is a gated community, which is why many people have not even heard of the Coney Island Lighthouse, but is clearly seen from the water. And it's interestingly placed. It is a city location, so interestingly that it is placed so close in between two homes. And here is a panoramic look from ever beautiful Seagate, Brooklyn, New York. And that would be a look of the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, which connects the communities of last stop would be Bay Ridge. I believe it's the R train to Staten Island. Behind this boat that's coming in, you'd see Hoffman and Swindleman Island, which used to be quarantine islands in the early 1900s, which are now bird preservation destinations and homes for seals, and probably where the Coney Island mermaids are hanging out at this time of year, as this is July, a hot day to be on Mermaid Avenue. And again, this is a quick look of the Coney Island, Brooklyn, New York Lighthouse. Closest subway would be the D or the F to Coney Island, Brooklyn, New York, and then just walking down Mermaid Avenue. Till next time, happy summer from Coney Island, Brooklyn. I love New York.